There are now even more reasons for you to get an Explorer and connect it to the internet. Like DStv Catch-Up, where you'll find hundreds of hours of the hottest shows, including multiple episodes of selected series, perfect for you to watch in one go. Press Catch-Up to see what's waiting for you, from series and movies to kid shows and sporting highlights. And if you've connected your Explorer to the internet, you'll see an even bigger selection of shows, including all those available to download. Look out for this icon. It means the show needs to be downloaded. With all this great content, we've added instant search to help you quickly find what you're looking for. Just hit the search button, enter the first few letters of a word in the title, and we'll instantly show you matching results. You can type in letters using left, right, OK, or by using the alphanumeric buttons on your remote. Instant Search also shows matching results in box office and your playlist, so it's a really handy little feature. Now that you've found the show you were looking for, simply press OK to watch it. If you selected a show with a download icon, you can watch it now or download it and watch it later. If you select Watch Now, there's a 30-second countdown before you can begin watching. If you select Download, the program will be scheduled to download and will be ready for watching later, but only once it's fully downloaded. It's also easy to find all the shows you've downloaded. Just press Catch Up, then Alt to go to your Download Manager. The Download Manager doesn't only list your downloads, it also lets you manage them. You can pause or resume downloads and even change the order in which the programs are downloaded. You can only have 25 downloaded items on your Explorer at any one time, either downloading, downloaded, or scheduled to download. If you reach this limit, you won't be able to download new content. To help you stay within the limits, we've added a useful feature. As soon as you stop watching something you've downloaded, we'll automatically ask you if you want to keep it or delete it. And don't forget to keep an eye on each show's expiry date, because all DStv catch-up content is automatically deleted from the Explorer when this date is reached. And that's it. DStv Catch-Up in a nutshell. The DStv Explorer, putting total viewing control in your hands.